In United States we say, how are you? In China we say, ni hao ma. In Brazil we say, tudo bem. In South Africa we say, how's it? In France we say, ça va. In Japan we say, o genki desu ka. In Nigeria we say, how far? In Australia we say, how you going? In India we say, apka, say hi. In Germany we say, wie geht's? In Mexico we say, ¿cómo estás? In Egypt we say, Isayak. In Argentina we say, ¿cómo estás? In Canada we say, how's it going? In Italy we say, come stai. In Kenya we say, habari yako. In South Korea we say,